Join me on a thrilling journey through the vast expanse of the internet as I unveil the absolute best gadgets and devices that'll redefine your tech game.
If you're a fan of mechanical keyboards and space, then the Marso 3 is your ultimate dream come true. Crafted with a fully aluminum chassis and pre-lubricated switches, the Marso 3 delivers a satisfying typing experience that's out of this world. Whether you're working or gaming for hours on end, the Marso 3 ensures optimal performance and comfort every time. But that's not all. The Marso 3 also supports hot swappable switches and can connect to up to 3 devices at once, giving you unparalleled flexibility. And here's where it gets really exciting. The Marso 3 features an LCD screen and a joystick for easy customization of keys, lighting, and more. Introducing the ultimate meeting companion, the Lamp Pro. Yes, you heard it right. All you need for a successful meeting is this lamp. At first glance, the Lamp Pro may look like your standard lamp, but it's so much more than that. With the Lamp Pro, you can project footage from your phone onto the surface below, turning any meeting into a multimedia experience. Not only does it project content in full HD with 1400 SI lumens, but it also provides a generous projection area of 27 inches by 15 inches. But wait, there's more. With 360 degrees of sound, the Lamp Pro ensures that every participant can hear clearly and enjoy an immersive audio experience. Use it for business meetings, private workshops, or any gathering where you need optimal brightness and pleasant light. Looking to take your content to new heights? Meet the Insta360 Ace and Ace Pro action cameras, your ultimate companions for capturing life's most thrilling moments. While they may come with a bit of a price tag, the potential results are truly worth it. The Ace and Ace Pro differ in several key aspects, including maximum video resolution, sensor size, lens, and fast charging capability. Visually similar, both cameras boast compact builds and a convenient 2.4-inch flip touchscreen for easy operation on the go. However, the Ace Pro takes it up a notch with a larger front screen and waterproof design, making it perfect for aquatic exploits. When it comes to video quality, the Ace Pro shines with its stunning 8K resolution and superior low-light performance, as demonstrated in comparisons with the DJI Action 4. Both models offer innovative features such as flow state stabilization, voice and gesture control, and AI Highlights Assistant, ensuring a seamless and immersive filming experience. And with the Ace Pro's rapid charging capability, you can spend more time capturing unforgettable moments and less time waiting for your camera to recharge. Are you tired of constantly hunting for a free socket to charge your devices? Say hello to the ultimate solution, the PowerMax 40,000 mAh power bank. Never run out of battery again with the PowerMax 40,000 mAh power bank, your portable charging powerhouse. With a massive 40,000 mAh capacity, this power bank offers up to 7 full charges for an iPhone 14 or 6 charges for an iPad Pro 12.9, ensuring you stay powered up wherever you go. Equipped with 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A, the PowerMax power bank is designed to charge multiple devices simultaneously with ease. And when it comes to performance, the PowerMax power bank doesn't disappoint. It employs the new generation bidirectional PD 3.1 fast charging standard, providing up to 140W bidirectional fast charging experience. To put it simply, this power bank can charge a MacBook Pro 16 from 0 to 56% in just 30 minutes, making it perfect for fast-paced lifestyles and on-the-go professionals. Don't let low battery anxiety hold you back. Stay charged and connected with the PowerMax 40,000 mAh power bank, your ultimate travel companion. Step into a world of wonder with the 3D printed Saturn Lamp, a stunning creation that brings the beauty of the cosmos to your fingertips. Using magnets, this lamp creates the illusion of Saturn gracefully floating in midair, adding a touch of celestial magic to your space. Controlled by a simple touch button on the base, the lamp emits a soothing 2700K light that's gentle on the eyes and energy efficient. With a built-in USB-C port, this lamp is as practical as it is mesmerizing, ensuring your devices stay charged while you immerse yourself in its celestial glow. But that's not all. The integrated Bluetooth speaker elevates your experience with powerful bass and crystal-clear sound, while the light blinks to the rhythm of your favorite tunes. And don't worry about power outages. the lamp remains securely attached to its stand, ensuring it stays in place no matter what. Calling all karaoke lovers. Prepare to be amazed by the Haloasis A1 holographic lyrics speaker, the ultimate addition to your karaoke setup. Thanks to its revolutionary floating display technology, lyrics come to life within a mesmerizing 360 degrees panoramic view, perfectly synchronized with the music. Crafted in collaboration with a Nordic acoustic studio, the Haloasis A1 promises to deliver immersive, powerful sound like never before. Enhanced by a dedicated DSP unit, this speaker ensures precise tuning for an unparalleled listening experience. With intuitive touch panel controls and a user-friendly app, adjusting settings and accessing details has never been easier. Are you tired of dealing with cable chaos on your desktop? The AutoPro docking station is here to save the day, keeping your workspace neat and tidy. With all the necessary ports you might need, including multiple USB-C ports with high-speed capabilities and power output, the AutoPro has you covered. Need to expand your display setup? No problem. The AutoPro allows you to connect two ultra-high-definition 4K 60Hz displays, ensuring you can tackle any task with ease. And when it's time to relax, the AutoPro's 8K 30Hz projection will provide an immersive viewing experience, perfect for movie nights and entertainment. When it comes to speed, the AutoPro doesn't disappoint. With Thunderbolt 4 technology, it can transfer 3 hours of 4K action camera footage in just 60 seconds. Talk about efficiency. And for those moments when you need to power up your mobile devices quickly, the AutoPro features an 85W fast charging port, ensuring you're always ready to go. With NeuroVista, you can take control of your relaxation and sleep like never before. Simply apply the tiny NeuroVista device to your forehead using the soft hydrogen patch, and let its innovative technology work its magic. Once synced with your phone, NeuroVista offers refreshing nap and meditation training modes, tracking your brainwave data to help you relax more effectively. And for a restful night's sleep, simply turn on the peaceful sleep aid mode. NeuroVista detects unusual activity and responds by playing calming sounds to ease you into a deeper slumber. With the NeuroVista app, you'll receive detailed sleep reports, providing insights into your sleep patterns and helping you make informed decisions about your rest. And with just a swift 1-hour charging time, NeuroVista boasts an impressive battery life of up to 60 hours, ensuring it's always ready whenever you need it. Don't let stress and sleepless nights hold you back. Back NeuroVista today and take the first step toward a more relaxed and rejuvenated you.